Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired on WVIP 93.5 FM radio weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Good day, good day, good day. My name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Whoa. Happy New Year. Let's have a prosperous and healthy New Year. The law firm of Figueroa and Associates was started 26 years ago. Yeah. The Immigrants Journal was started 25 years ago. Reason being, as a district attorney, assistant district attorney in the Kings County District Attorney's Office, I witnessed there in the major fraud, organized crime department, the need to protect the public, the need to protect more specifically people of color. Because, even though we may have the least, people still crowd us to take our money, whether it be consumer goods, and whether it be basic services. We are the stepping stone for wealth for a lot of people. So my attitude when I came out to the district attorney's office was to have a law practice where my intelligence, my honesty, my love for my people of color, the motivation that my mother, Annie, my grandmother, Esther, woman of color, gave to me. And the usual story, no father around. So, when people talk about who's the mommy, who's the daddy, what did this child grow up with, it's a story that is unfortunately too common in our community. Daddy comes, he impregnates mother, daddy disappears, mother and granny take care of the children. But hey, a lot of us who didn't have fathers, we had great mothers, great grandmothers, and they made us obviously into what we are. So I am the man that I am because of these women. And with their brilliance, but lack of opportunities, they couldn't make it, for their dream jobs, but they gave us the opportunity to do so. So what is a lawyer? What is a consultation? What do you expect when you come to the law firm of Figueroa and Associates? This is Ask the Lawyer, our show, our podcast. But what is your expectation of a consultation? If your attorney is not intelligent, if he doesn't listen, and if he is not versatile, in basketball they say, the best players, the well-paid players play more than, one position on that basketball court. They may play power forward, small forward, shooting guard, center, point guard. And that sounds like LeBron James, but the more versatile that player is, it is better for the team and better for that player's career. But more importantly, better for that audience who love basketball. But in a consultation, is the attorney you're going to meet with versatile? Is the attorney that you're going to meet, are they going to listen? Is the attorney, performing the diagnostics on your problem? Are they focusing on one problem or the various issues that you may have in life? So when we talk about immigration issues, what are the other issues associated with it? When we talk about wills, trusts, and estate planning, the laws of succession, what are the important areas that we need to discuss with our client? And with a consultation, we are looking for your story. And with your story, you give us facts. And with those facts, we try to make your case successful. We try to make your life better. And that thoughtfulness is important because, to me, when you treat people like people and when you do good, obviously, you are going to get a client that is going to refer other clients to you. So you're rewarded for your generosity, you're rewarded for your flexibility. And obviously, when people come to you, they have a problem, and you better know how to solve it. Otherwise, hey, stop practicing law, right? And that consultation, the method, the approach that is necessary, which we have done for over a quarter century, is why we could say today that the law firm of Figueroa and Associates is 26 years old. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Hey, you talk about wills, trust, and estate planning. What are you going to do for that single mother? What does she need? How about the lady getting child support? Should she be doing any estate planning? Well, yes. She has to plan for that child. Who's going to be the guardian? She has to plan for that child. What if the father, the reckless man he is, dies? Well, take some term insurance on him, please. Yeah, he wants to be reckless. Take $1 million policy on him. You're not killing him. He's killing himself. Maybe that's the best thing he could do for the child because he doesn't even want to help raise that child. Those are the issues that single parents have. We understand when a family works together what advice to give them where wills, trust, estate planning is concerned. Yes. We give advice also to the executive pastors, the people who obviously supposed to be helping manage the churches, faith-based organizations where, the preacher might be the one with less time. Yeah, we could increase the growth of a church. Why? Because we understand the needs of the community. We understand what is applicable to our community. When we talk about all the crises that we have with crimes, hey, all of that could be pinpointed to what? New York City being the most segregated public school system in the country. When you segregate our kids, black and brown living in their own neighborhoods, their schools underfunded, please, Mr. Mayor, Eric Adams, you're the first black one in a long time. What are you going to do? How are you going to help these kids? There's so much that they need, starting obviously with a relevant education. How about our own kids not even understanding black history, brown history, or the history of segregation? They don't even know Brown versus Board of Ed. They don't even know what a city council representative does and how they could help, or a state senator, or a U.S. senator, or U.S. congressperson. They don't even know that there are 9 people on the Supreme Court and they do what they want. Yeah. So it's one thing to talk about educating our kids, but is that education relevant to the black and brown people that make up the majority in the New York City public school system? Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. So by now, what you should understand, that this lawyer is a real smart guy. So understanding the law, how it impacts our community and our children and on their education is important. In fact, I wish that every city councilman, state senator, U.S. senator, U.S. congressional representative would listen to this show. Why? Because then you will get the help that you need. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. By now, you should realize this lawyer ain't easy. He's a warrior. Well, yes, that's what Annie and Esther did to me, my women of color. They taught me how to be a leader. They taught me how to be responsible. They taught me how to get the job done. They taught me how to open my mouth with substance. So when we represent you in litigation or any type of matters, you get a warrior. If you want less, don't call. But we do the best for our clients. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. Visit our website, www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. Attend our events. Participate in our paralegal program. This program, you take this paralegal program, you increase your knowledge, you increase your ability to function better on a job, doesn't matter what type of job. Yeah. Go to www.freeparalegal.org. Again, www.freeparalegal.org. Look at the fantastic seminars that we have. Look at our websites. You know why our website has a lot of information? Because we treat our community as intelligent, thinking human beings. When you go to a non-person of color lawyer, for the most part, they treat you like how they think about you. They think that you're not worth anything. They think that you wouldn't understand. They don't have common courtesy. If that's how you want to be treated, then don't come to my, obviously, don't come to my firm. We treat you with respect. We have a good system for accountability like all attorneys should have. But at the end of the day, you are a human being with a problem that has to be solved. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Thank you.
And this is where we come towards the end of our show. We want to thank you so much for joining us. Remember, this is your opportunity for a consultation on absolutely any legal issue or concern that you may have. The number to call, the number to share, and the number to keep is 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. Or you can visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. That's www.askthelawyer.us. Call us on issues such as personal injury, family law, divorce, separation, child custody, child support, immigration, taxes, both individual and business, estate planning, deed transfers, wills, probate, Whatever your legal issue or concern, call us right now, 855-768-8845, or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. This is Ask the Lawyer. You have questions, we've got the answers. Be happy, be safe, be well.